Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to wear your AirPods correctly. Definitely had some issues with your AirPods before, whenever you try to wear them or you try to use them correctly, but sometimes you have some issues. So in this video I'm going to give you small steps about how you can wear or use your AirPods. So the first step or the first advice is going to be wear your AirPods sideways or upside down. This could be a great method that you can use in order to avoid any kind of dropping your AirPods from your ears. So you can give them a small twist. You can wear them like sideways or even upside down. That's even could be better. But you need to know that your microphone will be not has the same performance whenever it's upside down. And this is gonna take us to the next step, which is gonna be try different ear tips. Because as you know, AirPods has a lot of plastic layers. So we can try to use different ear tips in order to fit your ear very well so you can able to use your AirPods. And now the third step gonna be attach ear hooks. This is gonna be kind of separated accessories that you can use to your AirPods in order to avoid them of drilling down or to keep them safe and clean. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.